Hey guys, John Kriegel. I run Oak Ridge MX here in Garwin, Iowa. We're on day three Rumble at Oak Ridge. You know, we've had an awesome weekend. We've had beautiful weather here for Labor Day. We've had Red Bull Straight Rhythm. We did our hill climb last night. That was rad. We did our whip contest. So it's just been an awesome weekend of racing. Just good times, you know, just outside of racing. And we do our nightly events and yeah, it's a fun time. Yamaha has been a huge piece of the Rumble here for about 5 years. We give away a motorcycle every year. They've been a pretty amazing supporter. MotoSport, you know, they've always been a huge part of this track. We've got companies like Renan, Bell Helmets, FMF. We got local suspension companies that are giving away sponsorship for 2026. I mean, we've just got a stacked lineup of sponsors here, so we're proud to work with all these guys. And the Rumble's kind of been a fun, you know, passion project for me, honestly, a way for us to give back to the local grassroots community. So we get these companies involved to give away these pretty rad prizes, and it's just a fun weekend for us. If you're ever, you know, in the Midwest, anywhere, you know, we've kind of become a destination track here. Big rolling hills, lots of elevation. The Roost Kills, if you've been here, you know that. But yeah, we usually run qualifiers. We do, you know, an Iowa Moto Series race. We do the Rumble every year. Run a few practices, things like that. So we're just kind of a laid back, fun track here in the Midwest. So if you're ever coming through, give us a call, see if we're open, and yeah, stop through.